Hey guys, I'm back with another unboxing video and a short haul with my latest Coffee Monsterz Co order. Let me just grab my scissors here. So this is the second order that I placed from the Coffee Monsterz Co. I recently just posted a video with the first half of my order. Of course, I went back to get a few things that I had kind of been debating getting the first time, but wasn't sure about. So I got a second order. And this time, I got the same sampler freebie as before. This is her fall freebie. Her fall freebie. These are the stickers that I got with my order. I got the sloth onesie. I got this sheet of Wonder Woman emoji stickers. Got two of those. I got the little bear onesie. The fox emoji onesies. And the hedgehog onesie emojis. I got the fall colored sticky notes. That were super cute. I got the vampire emojis. Of course, I got the Halloween countdown. I think what sold me was this one here, the Wonder Woman Halloween one, because she's my favorite. And then I got the Halloween sampler. These were all super cute. I actually got two of those. And that's it for my order from Coffee Monsterz Co. And then I'm just going to go through this real quick. This is my Erin Condren order. This is my third order. I believe this is just mostly covers and accessories. Okay. So we got the same Enjoy sticker that we had last time. The card. Situate this a little differently. I got quite a bit of goodies. Move this box out of the way. So the first thing I got was this sticky pack. This is the wedding one, I believe. Luckily, I wasn't planning on using this one. I'm not engaged or anything, but it's cut way off. As you can see, it's a little hard to see with the reflection. Pull this out. Let's zoom you guys in here. Yeah, it's like, it's cut way off centered on this. That's kind of disappointing, but luckily I wasn't really planning on using this pad, so it'll be okay. But I just liked the patterns and the heart and the diamond. I thought that they were really super cute. I got the fall leaf sticker kit. Let's go back a little bit more. I got sticker kit with the poppies and the succulents. I thought this was super cute. I got the fitness sticker sheets, the doodles and desk sets sticker sheets. This is the gratitude journal sticker sheets. I love the foiling. These are all rose gold on this sheet. I think there might be another sheet inside here, but this sheet is rose gold on top. Got the Petite Planner meal planner sticker sheet. I don't have a Petite Planner, but I really liked these sheets. I thought they were pretty adorable. I love the way that they look. This one's gold foil. Ooh. It's for the budget book. I got the 3D puffy stickers. The Love to Plan sticker pack. I thought this was just adorable. This is a rose gold foil. These are just super cute. I love some of the designs here. The little postage stamp. They're just adorable. I got the colorful circles sticker pack. I believe these are the transparent ones. Yeah, so you can put them over the date on your monthly spreads. I got one of the sticky note packs in floral design, and I got the eucalyptus design sticky notes. Then I got alphabets and illustrations sticker pack. Love the foiling. This is a eucalyptus sticky note, and I believe, I actually think I reordered this on my last order because I didn't think I got it the first time, but that's totally fine. I believe these are, yeah, so almost half the sticky note, I'd say a good third, is sticky. So this will really stick. I've heard some good things from a lot of YouTubers that I've watched that say they really like these because they have so much sticky. So I wanted to give these a try. I believe this was free with my order. This planner, I think this is a petite planner. I actually don't even remember. I don't even know, but let's open it. I saw something free and I was like, yes, send it all to me. So it's just a lined, oh yeah, that's right. I think it was just a petite journal, a lined notebook. I might give this away. I might keep this. I'm not really sure. I don't think my boyfriend is going to want to use it because of the crazy colors, but definitely find a use for that at some point. I did get the sticker book. This is the edition 4. I did place another order after this one. I got the edition 3. And I'll just flip through this real quick. I'm super excited to try these out. I haven't had any Erin Condren stickers, so I obviously went a little ham, but what's life without a little ham, right? I love the foiling. So you have all of your foiled sayings, foiled page flags, more page flags and silver foiling. I think this one, so this is gold and this is silver. And then these are rose gold. These are regular golds. These are also bright golds. This is a page of rose gold. Like I said before in my first unboxing, I'm not really a fan of this asterisk. It feels very dated to me. But I think these kind of look more like flowers. I'll be able to get away with those, but I'm not sure if I would use these. This one's kind of okay because it's cut off. I think I can make it work, but I mean, I'll probably just use them because I have them, but I wish there were a lot less of these in her books. I realize it's an Erin Condren book and that's like her thing, so it's a little, you know, strange, but it is what it is. And noticing that the cut lines on this book are really off, which kind of makes me sad. The words are like almost cut off on these. I don't know if you can see, they're like important, birthday, reminder, birthday this week, birthday, lots of birthdays. But like the line is like just under the words, like barely, like a microscopic amount of space. That's kind of sad. And then these are foiled, looks like they're clear, around transparent stickers. Paper. There's a bug. I'm sorry. I think a mosquito followed me in my apartment when I came home. So that's great. I'm sure I'll get eaten alive later. Alright, let's see. And then these are silver. And then rose golds. Again on the transparent sticker sheets. Silver again. And then some more gold foiling on the transparent sticker sheets. And that's the end of that book. I am excited, looking forward to using these. Like I said, my only wish is that there would be less asterisk stickers, but I know that's like her thing, so you know, kind of have to just deal with it. It's one of those things that just, you know, you either get it or you don't. And then I ordered this pouch. It was the acrylic pouch. It's gold. I haven't seen anyone else on YouTube with this pouch. I'm sure they exist, but I just haven't seen any reviews of it or anything. The acrylic is pretty thick. I like how thick it is. The stitching seems pretty nice. The print is okay. There are a lot of flaws in the plastic. I don't know if my computer or my camera is going to zoom in on this. It's going to be kind of impossible to see. But there's a flaw right here that's kind of obvious to me. I don't think it's showing up so well on the camera, but in person you can definitely see it. It's definitely pretty prominent on that first flap. You can kind of see it a little bit there. And then there's a print flaw on the back here, which again, I don't think you guys will be able to see. Let's see if I can just put it. There's like, it looks like something swiped across, so there's some of the print missing from this piece here, and this piece here. That's kind of sad. You can kind of see it here. That has the most missing out of all of them. I mean, I realize everything can't be perfect, but you know, it would be nice if it was at least, you know, consistent. Oh, and there's another swipe here. Yeah, there's a bunch of this print missing. The longer I look at it, the more I see that there's another one down here. Oh wait, that's the same one from that side. You know, this kind of sucks. You just pay for something and you expect it to be, you know, a little bit more decent than that. And there's like, I don't know what this is, but there's like a film sort of on the pouch. In the corners, it's like, there's like a dust. I can wipe it off with my fingers. It's like a white powder. God, I hope it's not crack. And this has like a white powder. Or, no, those are just markings. So I guess the acrylic kind of got messed up in certain areas, and it's like rough to touch. So that's never gonna come off, that white. There's like a white thing here, like a blemish. Of course, you can't see it on the camera, but I'm like rubbing to try to get it off, but it's actually the acrylic. It seems like there's a flaw in the acrylic plastic itself, which is super strange